Hello, my name is James with Woodlord Crafts. What we're doing here is we're putting together the customizable monogrammed ornament. You have 5 pieces with each ornament. You've got the back piece, you've got the center piece with the letter on it, and you've got the front piece with the name engraved on it. You've also got what's called the adornment, which goes on last, and this is the band that holds it all together. It's a very simple piece to put together. The very first thing you do is you take the center piece with the letter, you find the band and that hole right there, the longer of the 4 holes, okay? And you pop this through here, stretch this around, and it will stretch, and slide that on. Then on the other side, you slide that on, and just put these little tabs into these tiny holes of the band. And just kind of hold it on with your finger. If it pops back off, no problem. I say no problem, but oh, there we go. Okay, and then right here, it latches together. So now we have the ornament put together. Take the front band or the front piece and just pop it into those little grooves that you see around the side of the band. Just like that. Sometimes you might need to lift up on the edge. Now it should stay in there without any issue, but if you want, you can put a drop of glue right in there and at the top here to help hold it in. But don't put the glue on until you get all the pieces, all 3 of these pieces on together. So now you've got your ornament right there. Now as far as the adornment is concerned, it looks pretty bare, but we take the adornment to help kind of lighten it up, so it goes like that. Now this being a what we call echo birch material, glue doesn't sink in too well to this. So what I normally do is I take this and a razor knife, and I just do some cross hatching on the back to help glue sink into there. This just helps the glue grip it a little bit. On here you've got the MDF exposed that's in the wood, so that will help hold the glue on. And you just put it like that. What we're going to do is I use either Starbond gap filler thick adhesive or 2P10 thick adhesive. But I've got some of this left, so I'm just going to use this. I'm going to put a little along the edge here. It does not take much for this to work. Attach it, and it doesn't take long to dry. And there we go. Now I'm going to put together one without words just so you can follow along real quick. And here we go. Show you how easy it is.